The free VR classroom from Niteschool is a fabulous way to get started in the world of virtual reality. The first stage is to go to our website. There, you can click on the link to download the campus software. The instructions are below. You will then need to go to the avatar program and download that as well. Once downloaded, go into the folder. You will see the avatar program and the campus program. You will need to right click and extract the campus program because it's in zip format. You can then copy and paste that folder wherever you like. In this case, we'll put it on the desktop. You can also place the files on a USB stick drive. To run the program, click on opensim.exe. You'll see it there on the list. Now once you've double-clicked on that, you will see the control program for OpenSim running. And from here you can initiate server commands. Then go back to your downloads folder and double-click on avatar.exe. That will install it onto your system. Once installed, you need to choose localhost and put in the name and password. The avatar program will then load and you will be in the Niteschool virtual reality classroom.